Yo mga kabagis, yan, samahan nyo kami ngayon sa graduation ng ating pinakamamahal na pamangkin na anak. Kasi siya na yung tinuturing ko rin isang anak. Graduation nga pala niya ngayon, kaya ayun, pupuntahan namin. Nauna na sila kaninang umaga dahil nga alas 6 pa lang nag-start na sila. 6:01 I think. Ngayon, as in super aga talaga silang nag-start. Hindi kagaya ng mga Filipino time. Diba, pag alas 6, sinasabi nila alas 6, magiging alas 7, alas 8, ayun ng mga Pilipino. Pero pumunta na lang kami dito nung ng mga awarding na. Dahil medyo mahaba-haba pa talaga. At kasama niya yung nanay niya ngayon dito. Ito na nga pala sila, awarding na. Sabi pala ng bata sa akin kanina, pagkatapos ng ang dami niyang awards na hindi sinabi. Kaya yun, hindi na sobrang dami niyang mga sinalihan. Hindi na sinama lahat kasi abutin pa ng siyam-siyam kung pa, kung kasabihin pa lahat. Kaya nag-shortcut na lang yung mga importante mga awards niya na lang yung sinabi. Alam niyo yung mga sinaunang graduation, pa isa-isa sa stage, tapos tatawagin yung isang mag-graduate, especially yung mga valedictorian, tapos isa-isa yung mga awards. Ngayon, grupo-grupo na sila, sobrang dami nila, 800 plus pa naman sila, kaya per section, and then ewan ko parang mga special student, mga ganyan. Pa-picture na rin kami. Iba na talaga yung mga kanya yan. Hindi na rin nakatoga, dati nakatoga, tapos kasama both parents, ngayon wala na, sabay-sabay na talaga lahat. Tapos may nakita pala kami dito gumagawa ng mga flower, mga crochet ng mga flower. Shout out na pala sa'yo, te. Ayan, wow, ang ganda. Diba? On the spot nga pala niya yung ginagawa. Diba? Tapos tinatanong pa niya ako ng vlog ko. Sabi ko naman, normal lang po lang content creator ako. Kaya yun, nag-follow na rin siya. Sinerge niya yung pangalan natin. Shout out sa'yo, te. Saludo kami sa ginagawa mo. Sipag mo talaga. Ayan, wow, ang ganda ng mga flower, diba? Naman, sa flower, tsaka kung ano-ano pa. Pero, kung ito nga pala yung account natin, yung mga gusto magpagawa.
SPA Abelardo.
Ladies and gentlemen, teachers, family, friends, and all those who have supported me on this journey, I stand before you today as the class representative of Grade 10 Special Program in the Arts Completers, filled with gratitude. I am deeply thankful to God for guiding me through this journey and for with the strength and determination to reach this milestone. To my family, who have been my source of love and support, I owe you everything, especially to my mother and Lola. I may not say this often, but I love you. Your sacrifices, encouragement, and belief in me have been the driving force to achieve this goal. Thank you for being my source of strength, for cheering me on through every challenges and comforting me through every setback. To my friends who have stood by my side through thick and thin, sharing laughter, tears, and unforgettable memories, thank you. Your friendship has brought light to my darkest days and made this journey brighter and more joyful. To my teachers who have inspired me and challenged me to reach greater heights, thank you for your guidance and patience. Especially to my visual arts teachers who taught us lessons not only in the field of arts, but lessons that will help us reach our dreams in the near future. I am also grateful of having the chance to be part of the Supreme Secondary Learners Government Organization that shaped me into becoming a student leader. Today, I stand here not just I carry with filled with love and support of those who have stood by me. This honor is not mine alone. It belongs to all of you who have been a part of this journey, shaping me into the person I am today. As Roy T. Bennett wisely stated, don't be pushed around by the fears in your mind. Be led by the dreams in your heart. Thank you.